today I promised I was going to come back to share with you the significant difference between the regular machine and the industrial machine. As you can see from my needle, the regular machine has tiny pins while the industrial has bigger pins, right? And then this was me trying to put my battery so it's going to work well. I didn't want to use the normal pedal. Okay, so let's begin to shade. Here I had to use the pixelated method to outline the brows because I didn't want to do the normal compact outline, so I decided to use the pixelated method. And guys, this is me shading. Can you see how the shading is coming out? See, there's one thing I've noticed about industrial machine. It shades evenly, like you don't get to find space. It penetrates very fast. If you want to work fast, like if you don't want to waste time in your procedure, in your brow procedure, industrial machine is in fact the go-to. That is what you should use, right? It saves a lot of time, and then it's the smoothness in shading, you can't even compare it with your regular machine. It is very consistent. The needle is consistent, right? It ensures that your pigment is placed evenly, right? And you have a better retention. With your industrial machine. For a regular machine, I like to use this to outline my brows more. I hardly use it to shade here because the outline comes out very clean, crisp, and very sharp, right? For this particular machine, you need enough, you need a certain kind of technique to be able to work with this machine, to be able to shade properly with this machine. There's a method of shading when you're using this machine, but I would not it's more difficult for beginners. Why? Because you just need to understand that style of shading, not to waste too much time. Wasting too much time might cause trauma on the skin because you're stressing the skin, you're shading regularly, unlike the industrial machine that one pass, two passes already, your pigment is already popping, right? I had to use this particular shading I did here is just one pass shading because I used a special technique to actually do the job here. Now here's the result. Do you like it? Beautiful.